Hey, what's wrong?
We had our student council meeting. I stood up for some girls who wanted a quiet space to pray, and everyone just laughed. Even the teacher stayed silent. I felt so small. I almost walked out. Why bother?
That's messed up. You know, you reminded me of someone.
Who?
Lady Zainab. When Yazid's whole court stared at her, waiting for her to break, she didn't back down.
But she was Lady Zainab, daughter of Ali and Fatima, sister of Hussain. I'm just me.
She wasn't born into courage. She built it. Every moment of pain, losing her brother, being dragged through the streets, turned into strength. She spoke when no one else dared.
They took away her family, her home, her dignity, but they couldn't take her voice. Lady Zainab didn't speak for power. She spoke for truth, and truth doesn't need numbers, it needs courage.
We come from different backgrounds, different beliefs, but every student deserves to feel respected. Lady Zainab stood for what was right, even when the world was against her. Today, I choose to stand like her, because silence helps no one.
What are you two smiling about?
Zainab channeled her inner Karbala today.
Lady Zainab showed me that bravery isn't loud. It's choosing what's right, even when it's hard.
In a world full of noise, be the voice of truth. In moments of fear, remember her courage. Karbala is not a story of the past, it lives in us. Every time we choose faith over fear.